We've got Dan from Maxx from Parma. Let's talk about the service that you offer.
We do free inspections, of course. We'll assess your roof, see if you're a good candidate for what we offer. 10% of the time, or maybe even less, someone does actually need to replace their roof, or it's the wrong kind of roof, but we'll come out, give you a fair price, give you our honest assessment, and if the price is right, we can schedule the work to be done. We're not just gonna spray this great product on the roof, we're gonna do a roof tune-up as well. If you believe in this, we're going to look for leak-prone areas, replace soil stacked rain collars, we're gonna put silicone on nails that are exposed, address flashing issues that you might have, and get you at least another 5 years down the road.
I love it. And if they mention RES TV,
we're going to give you 10% off. Just say that you saw us on the Real Estate Showcase with Brenda.
there you have it.